Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day to you all. My name is Mamta Motiani and I'm from Designs by Mamta. And today I'm going to show you a video tutorial showing the stitch pattern, this beautiful stitch pattern. It's called the heart stitch, and this is my Mosaic Hearts Cowl. Okay, before beginning the stitch pattern, let me say a few things. This cowl and this top, the sleeveless top, both uses the stitch pattern. Okay, this I made a while ago. This is a sleeveless top using the same stitch pattern, and in both these patterns I have done this stitch in the round. So in this tutorial as well, I'll be showing you the stitch pattern in the round. Okay, this uses a slightly mosaic type of stitch pattern, slightly because only a few stitches here uses the mosaic technique, and because of which the heart like pattern pops out. It brings out that design. um, Anything else that I need to say? Okay, yeah, so the hearts stitch pattern is done in many ways. Here in this pattern I'll be using three stitches. One is a chain stitch, single crochet and double crochet. Mostly the heart stitch or a mosaic crochet is done in single and double crochet, but here there will be chains as well. Okay, now this stitch pattern is in a combination of 7 stitches. Okay, so each of the heart takes 7 stitches. So when you want to increase the number of increase the size widthwise, then you increase, I mean, in case if you want to decrease as well, in case if you want to increase or decrease the size of the cowl or the top or whatever you are making with it, then you increase the stitches by 7. You make 7 more chains in the beginning. And similarly, for the number of rows or the number of rounds, it three of the rounds, first, second and third, 3 rounds make one combination stitch pattern. Okay, so like in case if you want to increase the size, the length of anything that you're making with it, then you need to increase it by 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 rounds, 3 rows. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say before I began the stitch pattern. So let's begin the stitch pattern now. Okay, so here I have used 2 yarns. These are both Karen Simply Soft, which is an air and weight yarn, and I am using a 5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin with the chains. Now you may also begin with double crochet foundation round, just like one of my testers told me. So if you're doing the foundation double crochet round, then you will be skipping the chains and the double crochet round. So here I am showing you the tutorial with chains. Okay, so this is the knot, and let's begin with a combination of 7 chains. Here I'll be using 49 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. Okay, now you will make sure that the chains are lined up and it's not twisted, and slip stitch in the beginning chain. Okay, now you'll begin the double crochet round, which is the beginning will be 3 chains. This will be counted as double crochet. Now in all the remaining chains, not this one, the remaining chains you will be doing double crochet. So let's begin with double crochet. Okay, So I'm going to finish this round and I'll get back to you. Let me just finish the double crochet on this round. Okay, so we are at the end of this round and I'll be doing a slip stitch in the beginning chain 3 and closing this round. And what I'll do is I'll just pull this loop and pull the ball of yarn out of it. This way it will close the this round. Okay, now and I'll be able to carry this along on the back side of the work. For the next round I'll begin in this first double crochet, which is the chain 3, and change the color. So I'll begin with chain 4 over here, knot, and then a chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this chain 4 is counted as double crochet and a chain, and then I'll do 2 double crochet in the same space as the chain 4. Now this is the first shell. It's an incomplete shell. I'll complete it when I come back over here, after doing all the stitches. So this is the first shell. Then I'll skip 6 stitches below, which will be 6 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, before doing that, I'll do 2 chains. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochet, and then I'll do a shell. The shell will be 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, a chain 1, and then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So this completes one shell, or you can say over here a heart. Okay, this is going to look like an heart after the third round is complete. Okay, so again 6 stitches, skipping 6 stitches, and before that chain 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the 7th I do a shell. Okay, okay, so let me finish this round as well, and I'll do it, keep repeating this till the end, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we are at the end of this round. I ended with chain 2, and you see in the beginning we kept the shell incomplete. So I'm going to complete that shell by making a double crochet in the same stitch where I began the chain 4. Okay, and once I complete the double crochet, I'll count 3 chains out of the 4 chain, first, second and third, and in the third chain I'll do a slip stitch. Okay, after I do that, I'll be closing this round by making a chain 1. I'll just pull up the loop and take out this ball out of the loop, out of the chain 1, and I'll close this round. Okay, so this round is complete as well. Okay, so for the next round, what I do is I insert the hook in the chain 1 space of the shell, and I pull up a loop, make a chain 1, and then I do a single crochet. Okay, now I'll do chain 2. Now what we will be doing is we will be skipping this round, the previous round, and we'll be working in 2 rows before this, like 1 row and then the second row. In this row we'll be in this round we'll be doing the stitches. Okay, so some of the stitches on this round is done in this one, uh, in the previous round, and some stitches will be done 2 rows earlier. Okay, so we'll skip the two double crochet of the shell, then yarn over, and we'll be overlapping this chain 2. Now there are two ways in which this can be done. One is you don't overlap this chain 2, and you will be skipping two chains after 2 stitches after the one in which you did the shell. So this one and this one, you'll skip this 2 and you'll do double crochet in this 2. So 1 and then 2, and what happens is the chain 2 is still visible on the back side, but we don't want that. We want this 2 chains to be overlapped. So what we are going to do is, we are going to overlap it by skipping this 2, 1 and 2, and then see how I'm doing it. Yeah, so 1 double crochet and then the next double crochet. So you see in this one how it is overlapped, and I'm including this chain 2 in the stitches as itself. I'm overlapping it and it's still visible somehow. In the earlier method, this one, the chain 2 got hidden behind the double crochet. So now I do chain 2, and in this chain 1 space of the shell I do a single crochet, then chain 2 again, and then do the same thing. Like after the shell stitch, the DC, you skip 1 DC and 2 DC, and then a double crochet, then another double crochet, which will be the next double crochet on round 1. Okay, so this is how the heart stitch looks like. You see, I'll show it to you one more time, and then I'll finish the round and then come back to you. So this is single crochet in the chain 1 space, then chain 2. Okay, I skip this round completely, this 2 double crochet and this 2 chains. After the DC in which we did the shell, we skip 2 double crochet and overlapping the chain 2, DC, double crochet in the next 2 double crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks. Then chain 2 and single crochet in the next chain 1 space of the shell. So I'm going to complete this round and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we are at the end of this round, and I finished this with chain 2 in the end, and here I'll be closing the this round with a slip stitch in the beginning single crochet. Now this time I won't be changing the color because I need it for the next round as well. So I'll be doing chain 3. Now this round is same like this. There is a slight difference in these 2 rounds. Yeah, here you did the chains, and in that you did the double crochet. Here, since there are not just chains, there are single crochet as well, so you'll be doing it is same actually, but then there's a slight difference. So there is like 3 chains in the beginning in the single crochet, and then in the chains you will be doing double crochet, and then again in the single crochet in the double crochet you'll be doing double crochet, then chain 2, double crochet as well. So in all the stitches you will be doing double crochet. So let me just show it to you. So here I'll be doing in the chains, see, not in the space but in the chains. Okay, so in the chains I'll be doing double crochet. in the double crochet, I'll be doing double crochet, and again in the chains, double crochet. So it will be all double crochet again, but like I said, it is slightly different. So in the single crochet, double crochet, and in this chain 2, double crochet. So I'll be doing this for this entire round. I'll complete this double crochet round till the end, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm done with doing double crochet in each of the stitch. Now I'll be closing this stitch, this round, with a slip stitch in the beginning chain 3 and pulling up the loop and pulling the ball of yarn out of the loop. Okay, so this round is complete as well. Now after this round, this round will be repeated over here, and all the rounds after this will go on as follows, like first this round, then this round, then this round, then again this and this. So I'm not going to repeat all of that, and this completes the stitch pattern. I hope you found this stitch tutorial easy, and soon my pattern will be released, this pattern. So be on the lookout for this Mosaic Hearts Cowl pattern, and I'm happy as well. So happy Valentine's Day again, and see you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.